Hey everybody, it's Jeremy Osterberger. We're here at the Prime Expo. I'm joined by Rob Frater, Director of Field Services, and Todd Genet, Mechanical Integrity and Projects Manager for EIS. How are you guys doing?
Wonderful.
Awesome. So look guys, EIS has been around 25 years. Rob, just kind of give us the latest news. What's been happening?
Yeah, so over the last couple of years, we've actually had tremendous growth. We started in New Orleans area, so that's where our main office is. And then recently we started in Port Allen, Louisiana. We have our inspection department, and we also have our office here in Beaumont to support all of the Southeast Texas. And that office has actually doubled in size over the last year. So we've grown tremendously, yes.
Fantastic. I want to dig right into something that's a real issue in industry, Rob. I mean, it's tough to find people in this current labor market. So I want to know, how is EIS attracting talented folks into industry and into EIS?
Yeah, definitely. So we invest in our people. That's one of our big things. We want people to grow. So retention rates, we have plenty of employees that are over 15 years that have been with EIS. Myself, I said 20 years was my anniversary early this year. So when I started at EIS, it was a family. I wasn't just a number.
Right.
And I was part of the team right there. And then with the growth, we want all of our engineers to go get their PE licenses on the inspection side. We want all the inspectors to get the certifications, stay on top of everything. We also want people to be into leadership and not management. We want people to grow and drive the industry. And one of those is our new initiative is Technology Champions that we started there.
So I've heard of this, but tell me a little bit more about Technology Champions.
Yeah, no problem. So there's all sorts of technology that's out there. There's new ways to do old tasks. So taking all of that technology and applying it to whatever division. Todd is one of our technology champions over the inspection side of it.
Okay, fantastic. So we talk about technology. Todd, I'm going to flip to you. What are we exactly talking about?
Technology on the inspection side right now, currently we're using LiDAR scanners, drones, software simulation, a little bit of digital twin technology also. Digital twin actually helps us with the scans to properly plan turnarounds, keep people in line, very cost effective in preventing mistakes that typically happen during a turnaround. Also controlling the budget, shortening the span of the life cycle of the turnaround, and getting operations back running efficiently.
Okay, fantastic. I'm going to go back to you, Rob. I mean, talk about this technology. What is this? How is this being implemented?
Well, yes, I'd say taking all of that, capturing the data. One of the things that we have is we do have a new tool that we have right here.
Okay.
Right. So we have a mobile scanner, right, that we can walk around, we can scan. With this, I can put it up into pipe racks, I can put it down into manholes, I can adjust where I want to go with it. So we get a wide variety of capture that goes on with that. And then with that, it goes with our suite. There's, other mobile devices. There's, as Todd said, there's the drones, there's terrestrial scanners. So it's getting the right tool for the toolbox. And, we're an engineering firm, an inspection firm, so using all of this data to go from the inspection into the engineering and how all that comes together.
So field mechanical integrity specialists, who all can utilize this?
Anyone and everyone, right?
Okay.
It takes photos, so we can take measurements. They can do visual inspections. They can go onto the engineering side to do the planning, whatever it needs to be done, right? You got to capture your asset to do what you want to do with the job.
So Todd, can you just tell me more broadly what's going on in the inspection division?
Sure. Our inspection division is currently growing at a phenomenal size. We have just introduced NDE to our division as of about 7 months ago. Currently, we have about 5 X-ray rigs, which include all forms of NDE and properly trained level 2 technicians. Most of the people that we've employed, we've known for a long time. As Rob said, we keep great people within our organization and train them appropriately.
Yeah, absolutely.
Additionally, we also have a full-scale engineering analytical department that if we find anything inspection-wise that needs a fitness for service or such, we can do so for the client without them having to get involved, which is also time, saving time constraints and very cost-effective.
That's fantastic, guys. Well, look, guys, Todd and Rob, I've had a blast hanging out. Thank y'all for being here, and thank y'all for spending some time with BIC. And I appreciate hearing about the technology and the growth in the inspection division.
Appreciate it.
Thanks. Appreciate it.